Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to turn on and customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So we will start with the fastest way to turn it on and then I'll show you how to customize it. So all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully in order to find proper option, which is right here. So as you can see, the eye comfort is called Nightlight in this device. Simply tap on it and the screen, as you can see, the screen will change the colors to those yellowish or amber tones. It is because your device just applied the blue light filter and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Of course, if you want to, you can turn it off and your device will immediately get back to its normal state, to normal kind of cold colors. And usually you can tap on this option and hold it and you will be transferred to the settings where you can customize it, but I'd like to show you the full path of how to do it in case that your device will not transfer you there. So let's open the settings. Right here we have to find the display and let's scroll down to find the nightlight. Of course we can turn it on before we'll be able to customize it, so let me tap on it and then tap on the nightlight. Right here we've got this intensity feature, switcher basically. And by going to the left, we can make it much cooler. So as you can see, there's literally no difference between the nightlight on and the nightlight off whenever you're set on the coolest option. And you can go to the right to make it much more yellow. It is more like greenish, yellowish color. We can schedule that feature, of course. Currently we've got the none option, which means that you have to manually turn it on and off, but you can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely pick the start and the end time, or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, and then it will turn on and off this option. It's of course up to you which option you want to use. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.